Hello students, we'll deal with the concept of accounts and audit and what is their relationship. So first deal with what is account. An account is a record in an accounting system that tracks all the financial activities of a specific asset, liability, equity, revenue or expense. These records increase and decrease as the business events occur throughout the accounting period. Each individual account is stored in the general ledger, and it helps in using and preparing the financial statements at the end of the accounting period. There is a very common formula, that is assets equal to liabilities plus owner's equity plus revenue minus expense. Then we'll come to the concept of audit. What is audit? The term audit usually refers to a financial statements of audit. A financial statement audit is an objective examination and an evaluation of the financial statements of an organization, which helps to make sure that the financial records are a fair and accurate representation of the transactions. It can be conducted internally by employees of the organization or externally by CPA firm, that is certified public accountant firm. Then there are three main types of audits. First is external audits, internal audits, and IRS, that is Internal Revenue Services audits. So first we'll deal with the external audits are the commonly performed by CPA firms and which also results in auditor's opinion, which is also included in the, I guess, audits report. Then comes the concept of accounts and audits, the relationship between the accounts and audits. So accounting and audit have a pivotal role, an important role which helps to play in the financial record keeping process of any business. Through their roles are different in their focus. While accounting translates too much a wider field, it encompasses from the organization to the management of the flow of money through different companies. Auditing is also a part of the accounting world, which is an examination of all the basic accounts, financial records that has been taken. Auditing is a part of the accounting world. It is an examination of accounting and financial records that has been undertaken independently. One of the key function about accounting is that it it helps us to be updated about the company's report, company's performance. In this, investors will also get a clear picture of the risk and what are their opportunities and the risk they are going to face in the future. Let's end this topic. Thank you.